Hey guys, today I am going to discuss the problems which we have in the various approaches for singleton implementation. So we have discussed 6 types of ways to implement the singleton. Now we'll evaluate each for some scenarios. So the major scenarios we will consider are serialization, deserialization, reflection and cloning. So all these scenarios, they tend to break the concept of singleton design pattern, meaning in all these conditions we can have multiple instances of the same class. So let's have a look. First we will go through serialization, deserialization. So all the above approaches we discussed. So I have added the interface serializable in each of the implementation. We had early initialization, then we had lazy initialization, then we had the synchronized method, then we had double lock, enum, and last the inner static classes. So now all of my classes are implementing serializable interface, and now I have written the code which will deserialize the objects of these class. So beginning with early initialization, so let's see deserialization early. So I have used this class to create an object, serializable object, and then I have deserialized it. So all the approaches I have copied the same logic, and we are going to check the hash code of each instance. If it is the same object, the hash codes should be the same, but if it is of different class, we will have different hash codes. So I have one test class and I am testing all the approaches and we'll see which one works fine. So I am checking the early initialization, lazy, the synchronized method, double lock, inner class and enum. So let's run this class. So now let's evaluate this output. If you see the console, we have unequal hash codes for early, unequal for lazy, unequal for thread safe, unequal for double locking, unequal for inner static, and enum we have equal hash codes.